Are you holding back on growing your email list because you don't know what to send them? Don't feel like the only one, because this is one of the most common fears we hear from our clients when their email list really starts to grow. My mom and I have built a 7-figure personal brand with over 95% of our revenue coming from our email list. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing how often you should be communicating with your subscribers and giving you some great examples of what to say when you do. I'm Jordan Maylea, co-founder of the Global Freedom Community alongside my mom and business partner, Kathy Schneider. Together, we help female entrepreneurs create laptop lifestyle using profitable habits and evergreen marketing strategies so you can create consistent revenue without stress and overwhelm. If you're new here, be sure and hit that subscribe button. We put out great new content just like this on this channel every single week, and I don't want you to miss the next free training we release. Let's get right into it. When building an email list, how often should you be communicating with them? To a certain degree, this question falls in the "it depends" category, but let me explain. Far more important than how often you email your list is the ratio of value-driven emails versus promotional emails. The general rule of thumb is for every 3 value emails you send, you get to send 1 promotional email. Now, I am not talking about including a PS or a call to action with a link to buy. You should be including a CTA in every single email that you send. My mom and I define a promotional email as an email that's sole goal is to convert sales. So, if you're wondering, how often should you be emailing your list? The real question is, how often do you want to promote something to them? The last thing you want to do is be one of those people who only show up in your subscribers' inbox when you have something to sell. So, let's look at the numbers and break it down. If you email your list once a week, you get to send 1 promotional email each month. By comparison, if you email your list 3 times a week, you get to send a promotional email once a week. But what if you want to have a monthly promotion, like a flash sale, a launch, or an affiliate promo? These promotions typically include anywhere from 3 to 10 promotional emails. That's why my mom and I prefer to email our list 5 to 6 times a week. Now, before you tune me out, hang in here with me because we were extremely skeptical about this as well. 2 of our close mentors have always preached that you should be emailing your list daily. Of course, like most people, we totally ignored that advice for the first couple of years in our business. We said daily is too much. People will unsubscribe, they will stop opening, they will tune us out, and what the heck would we say to our list every single day? But a couple of years into our business, we decided to get really serious about our email promotion strategy. In addition to one of the major promotions that we do each quarter, we also implemented small promos each month, either in the form of a flash sale, a small affiliate promo, or something else little that we would do to our list. We knew from studying email marketing that if we wanted to implement this strategy, we needed to email our list more. So we gritted our teeth and we committed to sending daily emails to our list. Within 30 days, our average open rates had skyrocketed from 12% to 19%. Sales that month tripled, not from our flash sales or affiliate promos, but simply from including a casual CTA in each email that drove traffic to our various freebie funnels, which of course are all linked to micro offers. If you want to learn more about how to instantly convert your leads into sales by using micro offers with your free lead magnets, check out this video. We ran a flash sale at the end of that very first month and brought in close to 5 figures in straight profit from our email list. We teach our clients the same strategy inside the Laptop Lifestyle Academy, and in case you're still not convinced that daily emails are the way to go, I have to share this story from our client, Sarah. She said, "I'm using the email schedule, and so far, nobody has freaked out and unsubscribed because I email them every day. One limited belief conquered the first week of this year." By now, you are probably thinking, okay, I might be willing to give this a try if I had any clue what to say to my list every day. So let's dive into that. First of all, most people are spending way too much time creating content and not enough time promoting it. A good rule of thumb when it comes to content creation is you want to be spending 30% of your time creating new stuff for your audience and 70% of your time promoting that content. That's why we teach our students to create what we call hero content, or one high-quality piece of video content that you release each week in the form of a YouTube video or a pre-recorded video that you upload to social media. This strategy works so well that we were actually invited to train on it at an event with over 4,000 entrepreneurs, and I took that same training and shared it here on the YouTube channel. So if you want to check it out, you can do so right here. I bring this up because having a hero content strategy makes it so much easier to reach out to your list consistently. Let me explain. Let's say that each Thursday you release a new hero content video. The first thing you should do is email that video to your list. What you're watching right now is an example of our hero content. As soon as this video goes live on our YouTube channel each week, we email the link out to our list so they can check it out. It is by far our most highly opened email of the week. We also teach our students to go live on Facebook or Instagram once a week. Going live one time each week is a great way to deepen that relationship with your growing audience, and it gives you an opportunity to dive deeper into your hero content or even bring in special guests to interview. We have 10 times more viewers on live when we email our list about 15 minutes before to let them know and invite them to join us. If you want to dive deeper into how we do this, check out this video. So let's say each week you go live on Wednesday and you release new hero content on Thursday. Email a live reminder out to your list on Wednesdays, and then email your hero content out on Thursdays. Then spend the rest of your days focused on promoting those two pieces of content. On Friday, send out a link to the replay of your live. This one strategy alone will triple the number of views on your video. On Mondays, Tuesdays, and Saturdays, you can send out replays to past hero content videos. I mean, think about it. If someone joins your list today, they likely won't even know about the hero content video you released 3 weeks ago. That's why we typically promote each piece of hero content 3 times to our list after it's been released. For our 7th email of the week, we send out a recap of the live video and hero content that we released this week. These go out to our list on Sunday evenings and are also one of our highest opened emails every week. Because we email our list daily, we can essentially promote anytime we want. On weeks where we have a live launch or an affiliate promo, or even just a simple flash sale, we simply swap out some of the promotional emails in place of any value emails that would normally go out that day. Inside Laptop Lifestyle Academy, we provide a full email schedule for an entire year, along with templates for each day of the week, so you can write and schedule your emails in minutes. This is just one piece of our total business blueprint, but it's essential for building relationships with our list so that when we have something to sell, they are ready to buy. Emailing our list daily means that our subscribers are used to hearing from us. So when we pop in with a 3-day promo or even a 5 to 7-day promo, it's not jarring to them. Seeing daily emails from us in their inbox is already normal, and they've become accustomed to opening and reading them because they have so much value inside. If you want to see how this nurturing strategy fits into our overall profit system for our business, then I invite you to check out our Repeatable Revenue Masterclass. Inside this free 60-minute training, we break down our complete 5-step profit system that we used to go from social media nobodies with no audience or influence to hitting $300,000 in sales with our personal brand in just 10 months. This on-demand training is packed with value, and you can watch it now at globalfreedomcommunity.com/free training, and I'll link it below for you as well. That's all I have for now. I have asked YouTube to recommend the best next video for you, which you can watch right here. Just don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you go, so you'll be notified the next time we release a new video on this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.